Kekema. I make away my former friend. All the way video Bohemia. Share. Mona share. Share. Anyone go able share there. I bet wanna share this video now. I bet wanna share. If person if poor member, cause as we speak, I just confirm now. I just make 1 or 2 calls. They say it's still there poor. Cause from after I watch a video, cause the last time I know say they not drive am. I can say this one when they talk and say they collect a walk. They collect a walk. I can say when they stop am. I can't make some calls this afternoon. All the people that they talk call when they work for poor, even the ones where they work with them for New Benin, they say they know. Share the show. My former friend don't just share the show. I bet wanna share now. In the bed for share, wanna see give me share now. Hey, YouTube, why are ye? Or when Naja was on via camera gear, or where every said the gear, or via camera gear, you do you bet. Oh, Salomo, essay. Anybody where you they do something for, and the person not value one, you know appreciate them, withdraw your support, because you know can't lie because of the person. This is my message to all my fans. If you are doing something to help person, maybe your friend, your relative, and you call a year win for back, please withdraw your support, because you don't escort anybody con life. Nobody escort you con life. They make you see whether the person go fit stand. What they are just trying to do now is damage control. We are not in competition with you. Mama make there. Me man want go. Me man want see the road. Me man fear ticket there. Me man where union. Me man where need so me competition. I'm an intellectual. In school. Hey, competition. So make it call you my way. As we speak, you see a worker. It's still with poor. Why are you not trying to blackmail the government that made you? I got someone that you were just a PA to Comrade Tony Kabaka. A PA without me. It didn't come ready by the air, my boy, my concert on every. And my boy now go out come ready. Chama Aguyo. A patoni, Aguya, election no, but all many my time, my baby party, whether the video the menati a born wearing, I will apologize to you. Imagine if you don't know, but I did not insult you to say, Malusunu, and you want to go well, because you have a Sunu nearby, or if you're busy with it, or if your internet. If your video game or if your internet it be a car of your internet, so about this one here. It was just a PA. A government now all make away. So don't try to blackmail the government just to get sympathy. Make people call it pity you. See, how they always they trust what they do when they play pity game. I hate pity. I don't like pity game. That's why me and Osakolo did not fit play. Cause I like bad person we get bad mind. Or what can they play the weakless card? The weakless card like the oppressed card. You are the one oppressing people, you are still the one playing oppressed card. So please to set the record straight. I'm a winner. What happened to my former friend? KS work well for KS comedy. I bet now me KS comedy they insult. Please, Mr. Madam RSA, if you don't like the way I'm shouting, you can evict. You can leave the live video. You hear? If I am educated, you are not the one to tell me how to talk. In only Nigerians, they say educated need to talk like, yes, you know, you people need to, you know, this is what happened between me and my former friend. A fake laughing, a fake laughing. This is how I want to talk. If you are not enjoying the way I'm shouting, the way I'm presenting it, you can come back later for another video. Maybe you don't like this one. Maybe you don't like the way I present this one. Maybe you want make I just talk slowly. No, I don't want it like that. You know, go tell me how I want it done. If you don't like this one, just leave and go watch other videos. Maybe later, today or tomorrow, when I want to do women empowerment, and the chat for that one, market women empowerment. So you feel come back and watch that one. So, madam, please don't tell me how to do my presentation. You have Facebook, you can also do your own. So, take away, you are talking very well. Thank you very much, my brother. Winnie Dawson, thank you very much. So, my former friend, may I tell you, I take wahala for government hand. The time when two of us they roll, when we be like 5 and 6, the 5 and 6 now for the camera, we were never 5 and 6. But what do they see for camera because he's social media freak. Imagine here follow social media he's social media freak. Now what I say will be 5 and 6. Me also me, I never counted him as my 5 and 6. But most times we get together, either miss me by myself just go live, or he go say make we go live. So they see us together. My party, sometimes I go deliberately not want me two of us go together. All the tear, we are here. So my learning go use on camera. Since the mama this is me party with camera. Oh, those things that things when I love to do before, but now he push me into round. The man wait here, yeah, go on the popularity. You can't tell me you're losing with again. All through the time when they run things together, when they roll, report they always they come. Pull off. Ain't no, but some boy already to give away. What did they happen with pull off? Me man no be we rudai ma we ro. Megi ati gwan. Megi ati protect him. If na the same way Mutari they control, make I know. And most of the time, this dude was always telling me say he was always putting the blame on Mutari. Make what talk about. That's why I mean, it can only hear la. Or they can only picture me la. My nothing when they will do it will work. Igwa toge bama. So I was not that comfortable. Because many people know me, they will come here. They all my personal, I'll say call. It still happy well. Sometimes if not be your beat. If now he beat, able not there. If now he beat, I say I am where more or what take boys okay, you free the person. You know ask me only one day. Because he knows what he was benefiting from me. If sometimes if now this side when Mutai they control, if enough you talk to the person, well my person, you go try to use the influence, they will release the person. I can't have myself one day say, what of people we don't know about? If me I can be getting these calls every day, what of people know? So I was not comfortable with the way poor. One day I can't go meet Mutari, Comrade Mutari for Ring Road. Now Mutari the control is the general head, is the state coordinator of Pool of Public Work Volunteer, this thing. I go meet her. Mutari now told me, he said, please just walk, this is my beat, this is where I control. Anywhere you see poor misbehaving, we sack the person immediately. Mutari talk not different from the talk with my friend. The talk. I can't see professionalism, sincerity in Mutari. And me and Mutari not come too close because my former friend and Mutari, they get this because Mutari, of course, is the coordinator. He was number 2. So they always get this rival. Then he may betray it. Me don't know Mutari, and me and Mutari don't know. I don't know what that correct Mutari they want to since the days of on the streets of Akiobare. I don't want to mention where we for the meet that year. Comrade Mutari know the story. But because me and him come close, I don't want to come to the near Mutari. May not be I say I betrayed my friend. Now they used to act back being Mutari. Before I came to Nigeria 2016, 2014, 2016, 2015, Mutari was among the 3 persons who I talked to politically. Matter for another day. So I saw professionalism. Okay, no wala. That girl do not her. And I discovered saying I'm the side with my guy they control. Like those issues really did. I can still pause. Until one day, I travel go Lagos. As I reach house, as I reach, because I can live all one year now. I can be not lost any can make you wire. Oh, the no. It's your wire. Agalela dia, adia, agalela go, ago. Mete go fune. Thank God for restoration. That's why everybody you are lele na. Everybody you are lele na. Hey me wa me wo yo. Wa nya. Me ma ti wa ya. Me. Hey. O wa ye na. Ejeru na. Esi. O venya me ma. O wa me ti boy say. Well, but so what they will all. Every arrow. He walk they comfortable. But maybe I'll tell him, maybe not more women. He don't want okay. Me worry man, I worry dugi. On se verrait Evans or ever Dr. Evans, Jesse Root. On doit atteindre et on dit Mutari what seeing a vieux bossotor. Yeah, no vieux. Here, I want to tell now, I tell Lucy Wako, may not going to say na me or na Mutari or na other people. No, say they want collect money from una, they go play pity. So I make una they pity there. So some of una went foolish. People say, since you have me, yeah, why do you go every month? No, yeah, that is what he's trying to achieve. But when I calm down, when I listen to me. Oh, what man? If you're boss at all, and you're your enemy WhatsApp group. Their office WhatsApp group, and some Mutari secretary, right? They say na both side then while a day, people they complain. If you that way just said what's the move? Don't we do web born near 18 egbesi. And I can know about or you with your office. You know, say I will always take side with them. I will always take side with them. So me a tie Mutari anyway. One season wife na. Let do na me. We do have feel me dead by me. We go back always Mutari we talk to your friend. Or when the Mutari tama we I don't want to say it. It we matter no. Or we talk to your friend. Or not Mutari awe uwa. Nak moya na same. Ona ro same. Not parosa. So, if you have way, one person is trying to spoil the job that everybody they manage. That I should talk to him. Okay. But one day, one faithful day, Australia we had seen a government house. That day my heart almost fall. Because even as it was in pool of man, a pressure in the boy. But man, you boy pay bills. I should mention it. So something that we go, now he pay bills. Okay, Korea Abuja. Oh no, but me have to tell me. or Makabo Yare to Guinea pay 3 days, they don't pay 5 days. It was all bees, was on me. So you know what? Make you fear. I work with you winner as my guy. Then he go offer me because I go need to the support him. Which any good only me one government empowerment there. You manage. A man come office in the me love me kere. E also kere ave we media ave Kyoto ave we sure for ave we survey me yamigo. So I don't know if I say we got me as for my own other matter. Before this time, my friend would tell me say CSO to the governor. Because he with Mutari issue called a loud. They say CSO, they say Honorable Bobo don't want to put a primary surgeon don't want to put. They can't carry the matter, go meet CSO, make it try resolve the matter. So my friend called tell me say they invite him. So as you know, they invite him, and never never fail, man. Hi, no somebody, yeah, drop a guy now. Hey, back it you know what here. I don't want to follow and go government house. There's no blessing at 2 of us. Because okay, we are here. I can't wait for them for Autopec opposite that fish, opposite Boundary Road. So say let me hear the outcome of the meeting. As the call later come, you too, please. Are you still here? If you are still here, please just drop comments. You too, please. Are you still here? Please just type yes. So I waited for my guy at Autopec Free Station, opposite Boundary Road. My heart was beating. Can you fight government? It's an institution. It get where they work. And before that time, we don't really say yes, say pull up, we should government one restructure pull up. At least make it be public, real public service. So I make people they really get that job security. So that time he thought without the environment results anyway, Mutari or push that government action to ask him out, which was all around. Because I made office squad and that's when ESMA has upgraded. So that was what the government was also trying to do, to upgrade pull up like ESMA. So to cut long story short, although you're what's new? Ejene, Awatie, Enemy, Honorable Bobo Gareva, SG Gareva, Mutari Gareva, He Vio Bosoto, He Wavio Bosoto, SG Ane Mutari We, Imunana, Imuneradwa, Mutari, can you control everywhere? Imuneradwa, or you told not fake, here. The talk got too sweet. I said, you talk like that. I said, you mean no, not they, they know what they easily talk. I got you. 3 days after, I don't know what to carry me go government house, but I know what to carry me go, but I don't want to talk. Me were officer by Sasodiongi. Me wa toto. Your father, your mother, me want to resort to Mutari and Aibert they quarrel for downstairs. I do this one, I hold this one, I hold this one. When me why I go Mutari enter him to sit down or cinema hall. Or cinema hall. My friend, when I listen because it's easy to easily blackmail me because me I not care. My friend not here. Talk to your friend. I was scared of his job. Wait, now get to who am I now? I said they on drive, I don't want to drive it back. Not do TA. Not for me, officer said Jimmy Mayway. Why do you know the name your man? I said, no, wala, continue. As I go back, as I climb upstairs, before this time, I see some poor boys for governor side. They just scatter. I come meet two people for because now by Sasajoge office and they control this poor ESMA. So if you get any issues, most of the people they report. Now him people they forward those report to. Maybe I'm going to make two poor officials with the reception. What do they do here? They say, bros, we for don't find you since. We not get your number. We be the fire to reach you. We not get your number. These two people, so Aibert Sapler Road and Smart. They mention their name. What happen? You know what they? Because I know say those people that they Aibert Stone side for New Benin and Aduawa. Now this how Aibert they control those two boys they. And the other, like I say, all the others go there. Say now from New Benin side. What do they do for here? The first person will be say, "Well, I want join Mutari they fight Aibert." They can say no. I say, bros, you know the other that means what your friend they tell you don't believe, you know they ask question. I can't invest for the two boys. Okay. Who want to report MSSG, Abi? Who want to report MSSG? They can say, bros, no, we don't look for her to see you since. If we even see for party to bring the matter up, they had us. We're down here, we were taking side completely. One of the guy, Aibert Sapler Road. The first one the guy want to talk, he can't pull his shirt like this, go up. He said, bros, look my hand. Here, brown. This is my real color. If you see the difference between the Aibert hand here and here, the guy be like white for here. From here, it don't black. He said, bros, this place now sun. Now here cloth they cover. He said, I dey stay inside sun just to meet target when Aibert give us. The other guy, Smart, come to say, in a club member, in a member of Dominion Brothers. Says since in the work follow Aibert, he never feel achieve one thing. Now the house where he built blood during the days of Lucky. Now he still there. The two call. I can't sit down like this. Because they waiting on the happen. They say many times when they will try to approach Mutari as the head of the job, Mutari go they say, no, I beg go. Before person go talk say, I they use una against them. They not gonna get choice that to go meet government. To tell government that they no go feel work under Aibert again. Anytime I already have a video, you want to play PT card, I will reply him. Because he knows I don't like PT card. He knows I don't like blackmail. I say, I can't show your moon come. All I put in the reception, I can't kind of go outside. I say, when they open mouth what they are going through, that they have written petitions, that this is the 5th time that they are coming. The Smart control say it made them carry and go another zone. It not fit work for New Benin again. Because the pressure too much. Say the pressure too much. Say that he is now forced to arrest 11 vehicles where a target in area is you.